So have you been wondering how to communicate your accounting firm's value because you would love to rise above the competition? You no longer want to compete with other firms that are offering something similar. You want to be seen as the go-to. And attracting quality clients, maybe including more advisory work into your accounting firm, is a conversation that I had earlier today with a client. Now, part of what came up is that it was comfortable. This firm owner was in a routine and felt that clients were satisfied with this particular level of service of just having the compliance part, and wondering, how do you start to connect with the value, explain to them why you ought to be doing more, how you might be able to help them, and how this all works? Well, the first thing that we focused on is starting to build in the advisory services, positions this firm owner as an expert and a consultant instead of a technician. Instead of solely being reactive, where she was now doing the compliance piece, everything that was after the fact, she would now be proactive with helping them understand the numbers, the data, as they were looking at their business in order to have better financial health and make better decisions as they were moving forward with the evolution of their business. So by doing this, she would be able to give them insights, increase their profitability, maybe help with business development, reduce costs, all things that matter to business owners. And the other thing is that, okay, we got on to talking about value, adding value. What does that mean? And there were a couple questions that I asked her in order to start to understand value from the client's perspective. And by doing that, that would be able to help her better explain the value of her services and also help her work with higher quality clients. So I want to share with you the 7 questions that I went through with this particular client, and maybe give you some insights into the questions as well, so that you can start to uncover the value of your firm's services as well. The very first question was, why do clients hire you? So think about that. Why do people hire you? And it's not just to do the books or to file the taxes. They do it because working with you is more efficient. Things get done faster than they did it themselves. It's going to be more effective. You know how to do this, so you're going to get things done better and avoid some costly mistakes. It gives them peace of mind that things are now being handled. So it frees up some of their headspace and capacity to do other things, either serving the clients or growing their own business. And this lightens their workload. Also, because of that, they can focus on the more the day-to-day operations of their own business. So those are some of the reasons that clients hire you. It has nothing to do with how many forms or how many accounts or transactions or anything like that. They hire you for other reasons than that. That's what you do. That's not the reason that they engage with your particular firm. Question number 2 is, what is most important to your clients? How does your service maybe help them in specific areas of their business? And some of the things that would matter to your clients would be what you can help them with is helping them better manage employees, marketing to bring in new clients, or maybe understanding which marketing is more effective because you set up some KPIs, key performance indicators to track, customer service, also products and sales. So those are some of the things that matter to your clients. The next question, number 3, is how can you apply the data, maybe offer insights that's going to help them with their business? And think about some of the ways that you help your clients with that right now, or some of the questions that they come to you with that you can help answer so that they're able to then move forward with their own business. Number 4 is there something else you could be doing for them? Maybe you're doing a certain level of services based on when they first started working with you, but things have expanded, they have more complications or complexities, and that there's other things that you know you could be doing that would be beneficial and helpful for them. So that goes right into number 5, which is what else would be beneficial. Now, maybe there is some things you know would be important to them. However, they just don't even know that you can do that or know to even ask for that. Think about, what are the clients you have that are struggling with cash flow, that are thinking about whether they ought to close their doors or not? and that you realize there's certain things you could be doing for them that would help them to be healthier and manage their cash flow better. Or what are some clients that you know want to be able to advance in a specific way, and there's some things that you can help them with to be able to achieve those milestones that deeply matter to them. Along with that comes number 6, which is the insights you can offer. Because when you start to offer insights, you tell them the story behind the numbers. You help interpret that for them so that they can now use that insights to apply it to their business. This, once again, firmly positions you as that advisor as opposed to a technician. It's no longer about just the data entry and after the fact reporting. Is there something else you can do that delivers more value to them? And I want to let you know, guidance, consulting, having their business have financial health, and also becoming more financially savvy as business owners are things that do matter that you would be able to deliver for them. And so those are some of the questions to think about. 7 questions, very easy, but focusing on those helps to position you as more of an advisor, not a technician. It adds value. And every single one of these focus on what's important to the client. And that is where they're going to really see the sweet spot of what you have to offer, why they ought to continue moving forward, or maybe expanding the scope of services beyond just the compliance piece into the advisory side as well. So let us know below maybe what is one way that clients benefit from your service. And if you want to make the next 12 months, 2024, your best year ever, then check out my upcoming Make 2024 Your Best Year Ever Masterclass. It is all about strategically looking at what it is you want to achieve, how to be able to achieve that, and some of the things that will really make a difference in getting more of what you want and having a firm that supports your lifestyle, is on track and works for you, as opposed to one that keeps on taking the life out of you. So that complimentary webinar, How to Make 2024 Your Best Year Ever, is on Wednesday, October 11th at 4 p.m. Eastern, 1 o'clock Pacific. All the details are at businesssuccesssolution.com/year. Once again, look forward to hearing how this is affecting you, what's coming up for you, what it's validate, how you're building advisory services into your firm. And let's connect. Join me on October 11th to make 2024 your best year ever. You can get all the details for that free masterclass at businesssuccesssolution.com/year. Loren Fogelman, showing accounting professionals how to double their income working half the time.